YouTube? Is your boy TC the Barber back with another exclusive haircut tutorial for you today. In this tutorial, I'm going to be doing a taper and a beard trim. So I'm going to go ahead and comb through the hair and make sure that there's not any colics that I need to know about before I start cutting. Now I'm going to go ahead and set up my first bald guideline at the bottom of the neck, and I just want to make sure this guideline is nice and neat. My next step, I'm coming in with the Wahl's Magic Clips with the lever all the way open, no guard, and I'm going to be going up about a half an inch, and this will be my second guideline that I'm creating in the back of the head. Next step, with the lever all the way closed, and I'm going to go ahead and knock out this first bald guideline that you see. Now I'm going to open my lever up halfway, and I'm going to fade up to the second guideline, but I'm not going to go past it. So I just popped the number 1 guard on there with the lever all the way open. And I'm going to set in my third guideline. I'm going up about a full inch this time. I just popped the 0 guard on there right now, as you can see. Now I'm gonna knock out the second guideline that I created, and the same steps is just repeated. The same way I knocked out the first guideline, I just gonna knock out the second guideline. Opening the lever up to half, and I'm going to fade up to the third guideline, but I'm not going to go past that. And you might see me use the edge of my blade like I'm using right now. Just certain areas of his hair and on his head, hair grows a certain way, and I just cut the way it grows. Now I'm closing the lever up and just doing some detail work, cleaning the bottom of the fade. So with the 1.5 guard, I'm opening the lever all the way, and I'm gonna go up another full inch. Consistently brushing down the hair just so I can see what I need to fade. Now I'll put the 1.5 guard back on with the lever all the way open, and I'm going to soften up this line, and then I'm going to come back with the one, open up to halfway and finish taking the line out. Now I'm gonna close the lever. Sorry, that's what I mean. Close the lever halfway. And as you can see, continue to work that fade. Continue to work that line out. This next step, he wants to take his, he wants to use the number 1 guard. That's the desired length that he wants. So I'm gonna knock it all down, all even with the number 1 guard, and then I'm gonna come back and finish fading the back of the head. So we're just gonna get this all even. And I know it seems like I'm jumping around, but this is I found that it's an easier way for me, especially for a taper. If I'm gonna knock it down with a 1 guard and then come back and finish fading the back, then I won't have to do too much fading in the back because I already got the top knocked down. The length that the length that he wants. Okay, coming back to in the back of the head. Now I got my lever adjusted to about half, and I'm just detailing, cleaning up going back just to clean up some areas. And like I said, as you go higher on the fade, you're gonna open your lever, and if you're going back to clean up on the lower part of the head, then you close it up. Right now my lever is all the way open, just because I'm going a little bit higher. And I know not to go too high because I know I came with the grain with the number 1 guard. So I know, just cutting for a while, I know how to kind of make it all blend in. So right here, as you see me lining the back of the neck up, and then I'm gonna start tapering the sides after the back neckline. So as you do the one side, you do the other. So right here, I'm gonna come in and set my first guideline in around the temple area. Again, this is my first ball guideline. Right now with the magic clips, I'm opening my lever all the way up, and I'm gonna go up about 1/4 inch. And as you can see, I don't have to do too much work because I already came with the grain with the number 1 guard and knocked his hair down. So now I won't have to fade too much. So the sides will be quicker to fade than the back because I already knocked it down. Right now I just close my lever up, and I'm gonna knock out the first ball guideline that you see. Now I'm opening it to about half. And like I say, I'm gonna go up to the second guideline, but I'm not gonna go past that. Now, and I'm sorry the way I angle the camera, you can't really see. So with the 1 guard, with the lever all the way closed, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish knocking out the second guideline. And as you can see, It's already starting to blend in. And like I say, being that I already cut his hair down, I don't have to take too many steps to fade it, just because it's already faded. It's already low enough, so everything blends in with each other. Right now, just opening the lever all the way and just doing some detail work. Now put the zero guard back on. And I adjust the lever to half, and I'm just doing some detail work. As you can see, I closed the lever all the way. And like I said, what you do to one side, you do to the other side. I'm just speeding this process up because you guys pretty much know what I did on the left side of the head, and I'm just repeating the same steps. Now right here, I'm putting some Elegance holding spray, and I like to do this because when I come back and line the hair up, it holds the hair in place. As you can see, I'm brushing it, and it holds the hair in place, so when you start lining it up, the hair won't curl back up. So I'm gonna go ahead and set in this front guide line, and I'm just gonna let you guys watch. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the face started, and I'm just gonna line it up pretty much the way it grows in. Also, I did use some enhancement on his front hairline and his chin strap. I didn't get it in the video just because I wind up doing it after the cut was already finished, and he wanted to try it and see what it looked like, so got to give the customers what they want. just want to say, for me, just when it comes to the hairline outside, just being, it's the most important part. I just try to match both sides. I might try to match the right side with the left side. So anything that I do on the right side, I try to repeat on the left side. Now I'm just taking the facial hairs down, just to get rid of some of the stubbles. So YouTube, this is the cut. If you like what you see, hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, you can follow me on IG at TC-The-Barber-MN, and leave comments below if you would like. And I appreciate you watching. TC the Barber, I'm checking out. Peace.